If you want a complete done-for-you business where you can sell products on autopilot, John Thornhill's Ambassador program could be exactly what you're looking for. This program was designed by John Thornhill himself, a Clickbank Platinum seller who has generated millions of dollars online. What makes it powerful is that it's built on the very same method John uses in his own business. That means you don't have to worry about creating sale pages, building websites, or even writing your own email follow ups. All of that is already done for you. With the Ambassador program, you simply plug into the system, send traffic to it, and start selling right away. John also provides a ton of free value in his introductory webinar. In that session, you'll learn the fundamentals of building a real online business, and you'll see how this done for you system works step by step. It's especially great for beginners or for anyone who wants to skip the tech headaches and have a ready-made business that's proven to work. So if you're serious about building an automated income stream and want a shortcut that's already generating results, John Thornhill Ambassadors Program is worth checking out. Click the link in my description to watch the free webinar and see how you can get started today.